In this video, we will talk about how to correctly measure the flow rate for our irrigation system. Hello, I'm Federico from Tutto Irrigazione IT, and I want to explain to you how to correctly measure the flow rate for our irrigation system. To make this measurement, one of the simplest and recommended systems is to utilize elements that are easily accessible and can be readily located. In order to complete the task, I will need to acquire a graduated bucket with capacities of 5, 10, and 15 liters, as well as a stopwatch, a timer, and a pressure gauge for measuring purposes. Then I will have to connect it together with a valve or faucet. By utilizing this kit, I will have the necessary tools to make precise measurements and accurately determine the flow rate of our irrigation system project. So this course is a dynamic course. How to proceed? You take the kit, connect it to the water source at the water point to make the reading realistic and avoid unnecessary pressure losses. To start, I will connect our kit and proceed by opening the main tap, as well as our tap, which is specifically designed for the kit we are using. Waiting for the water to stabilize, so for approximately 30 seconds, I will observe that with the tap open, set at 100% capacity, the pressure will be zero. Once these approximately 30 seconds have elapsed, I am able to begin closing the tap of our kit. I will record the alteration in pressure of our pressure gauge. What will be the pressure that needs to be tested? When working with an irrigation system utilizing static sprinklers or an aqueduct, the test pressure typically ranges around 2 bars, specifically 2.5 bars of pressure. When I begin riding a horse that is 2.5 years old and older, I must start applying slightly more pressure, allowing me to reach 3.5 bars, 4 bars, and 4.5 bars. When it comes to tap water, I go back to our example and precisely set the pressure gauge to a measurement of 2 bar. Once I have brought the pressure gauge to 2 bar, I will start slowly closing our tap. And then I will patiently wait for a few moments to allow the water flow to stabilize before proceeding. Once it is stabilized, I will measure the duration using the stopwatch and the volume using the bucket. How? I will take our bucket, put it under the tap, and at the same time I will start our stopwatch. I will wait for the required time for the complete filling. Once the 10 liters are filled, I will stop the measurement. I will check the weather and perform calculations. For medium design, liters per minute are typically used. Therefore, if it takes me 30 seconds to fill 10 liters and the minute consists of 60 seconds, I simply need to multiply 30 seconds by 2 to obtain the minute, and then I can calculate the flow rate. With a flow rate of 10 liters, I will multiply it by 2 to get 20 liters per minute. This info is crucial and necessary in order to properly design your irrigation system with accuracy and precision. I have included a link below for you to access and explore the various design options that are available as services. At this specific point in time, you have a crucial point to commence your irrigation system accurately and prevent unexpected surprises at the conclusion of all your hard work and efforts that you have put in. We encountered the need to address this particular issue, namely the lack of prior assessment of the actual amount of water flow from our water source, which required us to find a solution. Even people with a small investment can become professionals. I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell for constant updates on our videos. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for being a part of our community and helping us grow. I hope I have helped you. Write to me here in the comments if you need any other information. Hello, see you soon.